What if you could seamlessly integrate your infrastructure of data, VoIP, notifications, audio, and control and monitoring? Unified Communications is the integration of multiple communication platforms for a seamless user experience. It is the principle that a message can be sent across varied endpoints from a single input. It optimizes business processes and productivity and enhances user connectivity by allowing multiple devices and media types to work together. It allows an individual to send a message from their phone and have it broadcast real-time to loudspeakers, visual displays, mail services, and even mobile devices throughout your wide area network. Imagine your entire school district effectively unified. Atlas IED is able to take unified communications to a whole new level and ensure this same infrastructure becomes your emergency notification system, especially with the addition of Atlas Learn classroom audio distribution systems. In an emergency, all of your devices can be used to communicate with first responders, personnel, and crowds. It can help save lives and keep people calm and secure. Now your enterprise can effectively communicate, save maintenance costs, and protect your people, all under one unified solution. Learn more at atlasied.com.